Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, and today I'm going to walk you through our 2018 210 Dauntless by Boston Whaler. This model is optioned with the light blue gel coat and white graphics. It has the powder-coated T-top with rocket launchers, canvas storage bag, and an overhead light. There's rails both at the bow and at the stern. At the transom you have swim platforms on both sides with storage beneath, a boarding ladder to starboard, hydraulic trim tabs, a transom mounted transducer for the 9-inch Raymarine Axiom chart plotter. And this boat is powered by a Mercury 200 horsepower L6 supercharged Verado engine. On board the boat, starting off in the bow, you have 2 storage lockers beneath the large bow cushion, one forward for your anchor and one that serves as a fish box or a cooler. You have a seat in front of the console with a live well beneath the seat, cup holders on each side, and a total of 4 rod holders. At the helm you have a reversible pilot seat with a backrest that moves fore and aft. So the driver can lean while the passenger sits if you're pulling a skier. There's also a live well beneath the helm seat that's lighted and aerated, and you have 2 rod holders on each side. At the stern you have a stern seat with a fold-down backrest that locks into place. This is non-skid to serve as a casting platform. When the backrest is in the upright position, you have full beam seating with cup holders on both sides, in addition to a freshwater sprayer. And beneath the seats, you have ample amounts of storage, including dedicated storage for a ski pole. At the dash, you have lockable glove box storage with 12-volt and USB plugs. There's your 9-inch Raymarine, flush mounted with touchscreen, and your Fusion Bluetooth stereo. The 200 horsepower L6 Verado has digital controls, digital throttle and shift, in addition to power assisted hydraulic steering. You have an adjustable tilt for the steering wheel, LED trim tab indicators, a couple of cup holders that are plumbed and drained, 2 footrests for individuals with longer and shorter legs, and a half windshield. Coming around to the starboard side, you do have a porta potty on this boat with quite a bit of headroom. The door locks into place when in the open position with a magnet. And there's your porta potty. Quite a bit of headroom for changing and for storage. And that's our walkthrough of our 2018 210 Dauntless by Boston Whaler. If you have any questions, please call us at 843-747-1889 or visit us online at MarineMax.com. Again, this is Carl Anderson. Come by and see us at our store on Daniel Island off exit 23, 526. See you soon.